Thank you to our sponsor, Ayana. With over 100 EV charging locations now open to customers, Ayana is reimagining what public charging should be in the US. Reliable, fast, and easy to use. Every Ayana rechargery is built with the customer in mind. Hey guys, welcome to another Out of Spec Reviews video. You join me out in the parking lot right now to talk about something not particularly fun and, well, something we really try not to think about, but it is an important topic for those of you who like to drive, and that would be tire failures. Flat tires, slow leak, delaminated tires, the list goes on. Tires are, of course, what connects our cars to the road, and I'm sure some of you have been there, stuck on the side of the road, as I have been in many out-of-spec motoring road trip videos, completely helpless on the side of the road because the manufacturer of my car did not include a spare tire. It's actually kind of crazy how many cars don't come with spare tires anymore. And it's not like tire technology has gotten so much better to the point where tire failures don't happen. Of course, it's a bit better than it was back in the 1950s, but I'm sure you could drive on a long road trip and you will find someone stuck on a shoulder in a modern car with a flat tire, completely helpless, waiting on AAA or roadside assistance to come save them because the maker of their vehicle did not include a spare tire. I want to talk about some of the reasons that automakers don't include spare tires and why I think some are valid and some are not. And I also want to show you a pretty cool spare tire kit that I just installed in our Model Y, which is like the coolest thing. If you have Model Y, you need this for sure. So let's just talk about spare tires. I want to show you this kit that I got. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Modern Spare, but it does bring up a good point as to just the problems that you can have on the side of the road. I just took this VinFast on like an 1,800 mile long road trip. No spare tire. If I was to have an issue, you know, I don't know what I would have done, honestly, because you'd have to wait and then you'd have to get to a tire shop and hope that someone in a local town has a tire in that exact size. And if you look up under here in the underfloor storage, there could be space for one, but whoever, you know, spec'd the VinFast for our market just said, nope, no spare tires for you guys. And largely the same over here in the Tesla world and BMW world and Porsche world. Pretty much any modern car you get in 2026 is not going to come with a spare tire. And it's one of those inevitabilities that we don't want to think about. You know, you are probably an optimist like I am, where we want to think about, yes, this road trip's going to be so much fun. It's going to make great content on my side. We're going to have a blast. But we really do have to be prepared for when things go sideways. And I say when, not if, because it's just happened to me so many times. Actually, twice in Model Ys, I've been stuck on the side of the road, waiting for a tow, going to Tesla, overpaying for a tire, because I just got a blowout, had a flat, had a nail, hit a big pothole. That's actually what's happened to me twice in Teslas, are the big potholes. Sometimes FSD or autopilot, they don't go around them. And you'll see Teslas don't come with spare tires. You can see there's nothing back here. There's nothing in the front trunk. However, this car actually does have a spare tire. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description. I know it sounds a little salesy, but honestly, this will save you guys. I like working with companies that make great products. I've worked with Modern Spare for, 5-6 years now, something like that. I've drifted on them. These things are amazing, but you're not seeing one back here. And that is because they have a new, completely hidden spare tire kit in the underfloor storage right here. Look at this. Let me pull this out. Let me pull this 3W floor liner cover out and let me show you one of the coolest things, because of course adding a spare tire in most cars takes up so much space. And honestly, if you were to buy a Modern Spare for a Model S or a Model 3, you'd have to stuff it in the trunk. But specifically here in the Model Y, boom, it fits perfectly in the underfloor storage area with some slight modifications. They actually sell this as a kit to be installed in the back of your Model Y. And then we actually modified even further the original trunk sort of cover, this nice plastic cover, to go in under the tire as well. Normally they would say you need to actually remove this bottom piece. We actually just cut it to spec, and it really is awesome. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this, and we'll talk a little bit about why, of course, spare tires are not included. Now, some of you may recognize this car. This is my mom and dad's Tesla Model Y. I've actually been driving it for the last few months, and it's been an incredible car. And, you know, one of the things that I've had peace of mind on my road trips with it has been this Modern Spare full flush mount Model Y kit. I mean, it's awesome to have it back there, sits in the underfloor storage of the trunk, and doesn't take up really any cargo space except for some of the area under here. Now you will see you can actually still fit some stuff under here. So I have like a first aid kit from a Volkswagen fitting under there and some other stuff, but you do lose some space. Of course, you're putting a whole wheel and tire in the back of the car, albeit a compact one. Same overall diameter as the Model Y, just narrow, but it fits perfectly under there. All right, so let's talk spare tires really quick, high level, and then I'll tell you more about the Modern Spare kit. This is really a problem that doesn't come up very often. I think it's because truly we're optimists and we don't want to think about problems. It's probably why you don't see any car reviewers, including us, going out and testing airbags and testing crash safety. We just want to think about motoring experiences as being fun and positive and enjoyable. But things go wrong, and things can really go wrong on the road. And a flat tire can lead to like some really serious problems, of course. Not only do you have to deal with the stability problems, if you have an immediate blowout, there's nothing a spare tire can help you there. If you're just cruising along and pop, there goes your tire. Well, hopefully you can control the vehicle, get pulled over safely to the side of the road. And then the question becomes, how long is that going to take? How much is it going to cost you? And are you actually in a really safe place? Because the more time you spend on the side of the road, the more dangerous it is. And I have just been stuck helpless for hours waiting on the side of the road for a, recovery vehicle to come grab me when I've had a bent wheel or bent tire, just something. And all I wanted to do was just move the car off to the edge of the road and get out of there. And honestly, I just couldn't in that case. I was with Francie in her parents' Model Y Performance when we were actually going to get the VinFast. So that would have been almost 3 years ago. We were stuck on the way out. And that was a pretty rough situation. We had to leave the car. Our friend drove all the way about 2 hours in one direction to pick us up from Nashville. We had to then take a whole extra day, get a spare tire put on the vehicle. It cost over $1,000 by the time we paid for towing because we were out of range, and the list goes on and on. And so I think, yes, it's fun to think optimistically about our road trips and our adventures, but it's also good to be realistic, and it's good to be prepared. And that really brings up the question as to why do automakers not include spare tires in their vehicles? And the first really comes down to cost. Well, it's quite expensive. It doesn't really help sell cars. Most people are not making a purchasing decision on whether their car has or has not a spare tire. Some people do, and sometimes dealers will say, oh, it comes with the slime kit, you're going to be just fine. Those really aren't the best solution out there. Maybe carrying a plug kit is fine for some types of failures, but if you have a true tire failure, like a blowout, there's really nothing you can do other than swapping a tire on that car. And so yeah, cost is the big thing. The next thing, of course, is weight and safety ratings and efficiency and range and performance. Cars are already getting so heavy. This is a big, heavy item that automakers can say, look, let's take a couple $100 of cost, maybe not that much, but let's take a significant amount of cost out of a vehicle, significant weight, give you much more interior trunk space. You hear automakers talking about space efficiency all the time, not including a spare tire. And some of the biggest offenders are actually the EV truck makers. F-150 Lightning has a spare tire. Rivian R1T has a spare tire as an option. But Cybertruck, huge underfloor storage space, like massive amount of space under there. No spare tire. At least you got to throw it in the bed. Silverado EV and Sierra EV, big electric trucks, no spare tire. It's crazy how many vehicles you would think would launch with a spare tire just do not come with one. And it really does end up screwing people over to the point where I have so many friends and family that will only road trip now with a extra big honking wheel and tire in the back of their car just so they can get down the road and not have to worry, at least have a kit. Now, speaking of a kit, obviously we can complain all day about spare tires going away in cars. And like I said, a lot of it really does come down to cost and packaging. Let me tell you about this kit just a little bit. There are a few different solutions when it comes to a spare tire. Some, of course, would be like a less premium wheel that drops from underneath the vehicle, maybe with an OE tire. Sometimes you'll see that, especially the Germans will do the expandable ones in the past. But what I really like about Modern Spare is they keep a pretty high quality tire with a same overall diameter. Again, this one's a Continental tire for this Modern Spare. A Continental tire, same overall diameter as the Model Y, so it doesn't freak out your stability control system or anything like that. And they also include a jack, gloves, all the little tools and things necessary, even a jack puck to get up underneath the vehicle, so that you have a proper Tesla developed spare tire kit, or I should say developed specifically for a Tesla, not developed by a Tesla. But it has everything you need specific to this car. And if you go on Modern Spare website and put in your car details, they'll have a kit for your car as well with all the stuff you need. It's a really ingenious solution. Now, this is not meant to be a run all the time type tire, right? This is a temporary use tire. However, I actually put 4 of these years ago onto my Tesla Model 3 Performance and took them to a track day and did a full day of drifting around and sliding around and setting lap times with these tires on here. And that video I'll leave linked in the description below. It was hilarious. We had so much fun. And these have a surprising amount of grip. And we were able to go real fast in the Model 3 Performance until we shredded them by drifting them off. It was so much fun. So I know they're super robust in our testing. And just not having to rely on third-party rescue services to save you, that's the biggest benefit here. Yes, it's great to have this in the back and really in a pinch, but you really don't know when the worst could happen. And just having this in the trunk, so you know in the back of your head, even if you get a flat tire in the middle of nowhere, when you're 5 miles away from the charger and you have 2% state of charge left or whatever's going on, you can just quickly get the jack out, throw it up, 5 bolts, wheel comes off, that one goes on, throw the other one in the trunk, and you're off. You're good. You don't have to rely on rescue services. It's a great thing to have. And honestly, even if you don't feel comfortable enough changing a wheel and tire, keep this in your car. So that way a tow truck operator or a roadside rescue can get this on there for you. It's very simple to jack up a car and change a wheel and tire, but I know a lot of people are not comfortable, especially standing on the side of the road. But just having a way to get home means you're not reliant on the tire supply in the town that you're in at that time. Teslas use somewhat and occasionally very rare tire sizes and quite expensive tire sizes. And it's really good to be able to shop around and get the tire that matches the rest that's on your vehicle. And this just gives you ultimate flexibility. The fact that it's only a few $100s and it just sits in the underfloor storage and you don't see it on a day-to-day basis, well, that's just icing on the cake. Honestly, I keep a Model 3 spare tire kit in my Model 3 all the time. It takes up some trunk space. You guys have seen it in all my videos. I wouldn't go anywhere without it. It's such a great thing to have as peace of mind. And really, specifically, if you have a Model Y Juniper, one of the new Model Ys here, just to close it right there, not lose any trunk space, have the trunk auto close. We'll just move the charging cable out of the way a little bit. When I saw their stealth spare tire kit for the new Model Y, I said, no way. We have got to put that into my parents' car. And they are thrilled to have it as well. So thanks to Modern Spare for sending us that kit for their Model Y. Again, I'll leave the link in the description below. So yes, I admit this video is sponsored by Modern Spare, right? I let you know up front, of course it is. But it's still one of those sponsorships that is so important to me because I have been stuck so many times on the side of the road. And having a Modern Spare just in the trunk, especially when it's hidden, that's peace of mind, and peace of mind is worth quite a bit of money. Thankfully, Modern Spares are not that expensive. I'll leave the link, like I mentioned below. Definitely go get one. But really, this should also be a message to automakers to say, if you really care about your customers, yes, I understand maybe your 0 to 60 gets a little bit slower when you're hauling around a spare tire. Yes, I understand your cargo space gets a little bit lessened, and I understand cost goes up. I think there's a lot of people out there that would option a reasonably priced few $100 spare tire option on their vehicle. If you could spec a spare tire from the factory, would you? Leave a comment below. If you can't, would you get a Modern Spare? Leave a comment below. I know a lot of you guys have them because we've been making videos about Modern Spares for years, and I've heard nothing but positive reviews. They're really awesome units. I mean, I have thrown these things through the ringer, so I feel super confident in them. And there you go. Just a fun little PSA. Get a spare tire. If you have a Model Y, no question that's the spare tire kit for you. Just fits perfectly in the underfloor storage. Big thanks to Modern Spare for sponsoring this video and some others. But ultimately, it's really just comes down to saving you guys. Like when they came out with this kit, we were like, oh, we've got to tell everyone about it. So it's really cool to partner with a company that's making one of the best solutions for you out there. And based off of our Model Y review that I did last week, so many of you drive these new Tesla Model Ys that watch this channel. So go and get one. Let me know what you think. Tag us online if you do end up getting one. Tag Modern Spare. And I'll see you all on another one again soon. Bye-bye.